Hi, my name is Karla Morales, and I'm the founder of Your Home Detox, a earth-friendly residential and commercial cleaning company. I've always been cleaning homes with my mother growing up, and I knew that I wanted to work for myself, and the industry that I understood is the cleaning industry. And so I figured, why not open a cleaning company that focuses on earth-friendly cleaning practices, meaning we don't use any tox-based products. We use products that are reusable or compostable. I opened my business to the public November 2018. And I remember after the first month, I was so distraught because I was like, my business is out on Google. I have a website. Why aren't people coming in? And so I didn't know that I had to advertise my business. I was just looking for resources. I remember the Roxbury Innovation Center popped up. There was an application for entrepreneurs to pitch their business. And so my application was accepted. And so I was able to move forward to participate in the pitch event. My company didn't win. That wasn't my goal, but I was more interested in marketing and networking with people. I was able to meet folks like Derek Duplessis. He offered to coach me one-on-one to help grow my business. So I have been working with him ever since. And so that was in 2019. I reached out for a lot of assistance because I didn't completely understand or trust myself to move forward alone. With Dan, he was able to make an introduction with a company that he has worked with to help give me some insight when it comes down to placing a bid on an RFP that we were able to successfully win. And so I'm really grateful for those connections that came from that pitch event. The future of Your Home Detox, we're in the process still of pivoting to the commercial industry. We currently have a contract with the Polar Park Baseball Stadium for the Red Sox minor league. I'd like to grow it in the commercial industry and grow my team.